Hello and thanks for tuning into LevelMaster once again. Today we're here to show you how to assemble two simple stumps designed to go into a concrete pier. So Lockie's here to help us today. Thanks Lockie. Okay, first of all I just want to show you the components that are involved in the assembly. First of all we have the SHS, and this example here is a 75mm, and we've got two stumps we're going to put together today. At the back you'll see the connectors with the adjuster nuts in it, and then lastly we've got the two bases, and to connect it all together we have some 14 gauge galvanized hex head tech screws. So we'll just go through the assembly procedure for you. Right, firstly we're going to assemble the bases. So we've slid these onto the bottom of the SHS, and Lockie's just going to secure it with two screws now. We're going to put two in either side, so he'll secure the other stump. And we'll just turn these over now, and we'll put the other two in the other side. And that'll be our bases completed. Okay, that's the bases all done now, and now we'll show you how to assemble the tops. Okay, now we're going to fit the connectors. So these just slide over the top of the SHS. And again, the same process, we're going to use two tech screws in either side. Designed to fit nice and snugly over the top of the SHS. Make sure that you turn these over and do the other side. Right, there we have it, the completed assembly of stumps. Now you can just choose the tops that suit the application for each stump location. Please take advantage of our free assembly offer. So if you want us to send your stumps pre-assembled, we can do that free of charge for you. Or alternatively, this video has shown you how to do it yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to next time.